Hello, I'm Blaine Tollison, and here at WSOC, we remain committed to bringing you all of the local details around the coronavirus. And your top headlines: more than a dozen people in Cabarrus County contracted COVID-19, and they were following social distancing guidelines by staying in those 10 or fewer groups of people. Cabarrus Health Alliance is investigating those outbreaks from a wedding, an Easter family gathering, birthday parties, with more than 18 people infected. Health officials say, though, that's why those the 10 or fewer people, that is not a magic number, and they still want people to be careful and not hold gatherings, even with family members. And we're also getting a new look at how many people in North Carolina don't have jobs this morning. The state announced more than 217,000 people were out of work last month, an increase of 35,000 workers from February. Still not the whole story, because those numbers are based on jobless claims up to March 15th, before the state's stay-at-home order went into effect. There is some good news for people filing for unemployment. North Carolina says it plans to have 3 times its original staffing in place next week to help make sure your claims go through. And we're talking about 1,600 people by the end of the week next week. Now, if you're not eligible for regular unemployment insurance, the DES, they think they will have online filing ready for those folks by Saturday, next Saturday. It's called Pandemic Unemployment Assistance. And today, a sign of reprieve in South Carolina. Boat ramps just opened up in time for the weekend. A lot of people may be critical of that move, but South Carolina reporter Greg Suskin working on that story for today and other things that are already starting to reopen. And an update on your numbers: Mecklenburg County continues to have the most cases across North Carolina, more than 1,000, and across the state, 300 new cases up to this point, with a total of 5,400, and there are 14 more deaths for a total of 131. But good thing on that, those 5,400 positive cases, they're a fraction of the nearly 71,000 people who've been tested, and out of those cases, 452 had to go to the hospital. And in South Carolina, more than 3,900 cases statewide. That includes 149 in York County, and sadly 109 people have now died there. But if you go on our WSOC TV mobile app, you'll see that there are stories of hope and good stories showing that there are positive signs ahead, and we'll keep you updated throughout this time. Thank you for watching.